This is not just my first long ride on Honda CB350 RS, this is my first ever community ride. New roads, new riders, helmet POV on, and honestly, I had no idea what to expect. Let me show you how this ride changed the way I look at motorcycling. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am riding the Honda CB350 RS, and today we are heading from Bangalore towards Narayanagudi Betta, a short scenic hill ride near Vidadi. This ride is special for two reasons. One, it's my first proper long ride on this bike, and two, it's my first time riding with the community.
Hi, my name is Vidya.
What? Hey, I'm actually waiting for 450 GS.
Yeah, bro.
Crash. Crash.
I think हम निकल गए यहाँ से, as you can see, and now they are doing the fuel up. उसके बाद we'll leave for the destination. So as this is my first experience in this kind of riding groups, so let's start. You can see a lot of bikers. I think almost 20 to 25 bikers are there, and few of them are from UP. Padi. Okay. So now start the riding. Except me, almost everybody has the riding gear. Okay, so now it's around 6:30. मैं यहाँ पर आया था कुछ 5 साढ़े 5 बजे, तो निकला था मैं 4 बजे. फिर 2-3 लोग थे जो मेरे साइड से ही थे, तो उनसे कॉन्टेक्ट करने के बाद हम वहाँ पे साथ ही आए, एंड वी टुक सम 45 minutes for briefing up, freshing up and all. उसके बाद हम निकल गए यहाँ से.
I'll be honest, riding with strangers felt a little intimidating at first. Different bikes, experienced riders, group rules. I was excited, but slightly nervous too. But the moment we geared up and rolled out together, the nervousness slowly turns into confidence.
I think they are not taking the Mysore Expressway. They are taking the service road, and this service road has a lot of speed breakers. I think I should turn on the map. The gloves में यही प्रॉब्लम होता है. Okay. Okay, now we are ready to go. Bluetooth connected, and see you at the destination. Okay, तो अभी हम आ गए हैं outer side, and you can see a lot of people making videos, and सब हमारे communities हैं from there to there.
As the city traffic faded away, the CB350 RS settled into a comfortable rhythm. The engine felt calm, planted, and predictable, perfect for someone doing their first long ride. From the helmet POV, you can actually feel the ride, the wind pressure, the road sound, and that steady thumb that keeps you relaxed. From the helmet POV, you can actually feel the ride, the wind pressure, the road sound, and that steady thumb that keeps you relaxed, not rushed.
मजा आता है यार जब आप ये से लोग मिलते हैं ना, जो फिटनेस, बाइकिंग, रनिंग, everything. They show a lot of interest. I think तो बारिश हो रहा है क्या? Seems like it's raining. चलो मैं कैमरा बंद करता हूँ अभी.
Riding in a group teaches you discipline. You maintain distance, use hand signals, and look out not just for yourself but for others. What surprised me most was the vibe. No racing, no ego, no unnecessary risks, just riders enjoy the journey together. For a first time community rider, this felt incredibly welcoming.
So I'm 22 years old.
Since 2024.
Yeah. I'm 22 years old. I work in the IT sector. I work at.
As per my work, I'm a VLSI engineer. I work for semiconductor domain.
Hi, my name is Vidya. I'm riding since
So backup bunny here and अभी मेरे को यहाँ पे दिखा Honda CB350 RS. No, sorry, Honda CB350 and very beautiful bike as you can see. And this bikes belongs to.
My name is Charan. Hi.
So Charan, when you purchased this bike and what kind of modification you did in your Honda?
So I got this bike almost 2 years back,
Okay.
and since I bought it, I had kept it as a touring bike. Then I'm more into cafe races, so I modified
Okay.
my bike into a cafe racer.
So as you can see, this bike is modified into cafe racer. So as you can see, this is the GT650 clip-on handlebar. And then the view started opening up. Wide open roads, rocky hills in the distance, and that peaceful feeling you only get outside the city. At moments like this, you don't even want to speak. You just want to ride, breathe, and take it all in. Open the Google map, na?
So अभी हम वापस जा रहे हैं. थोड़ा सा ट्रैकिंग किया, उसके बाद वी आर मूविंग बैक टू द ब्रेकफास्ट प्लेस. से हाय. आप रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो क्या? अच्छा हाँ, मतलब मैं थोड़ा सीन अच्छा था ना तो मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया. ये कोई गांव है एंड लुक एट द व्यू मैन. वेदर इज़ लाइक 18-19 डिग्री सेल्सियस होगा, उससे कम ही होगा आई थिंक, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट मस्त राइडिंग वाला मौसम हुआ है.
Reaching Naranagudi Beta felt rewarding. Bike lined up, helmets off, and suddenly everyone is talking like old friends. Short glimpse, open views, and that calm silence you don't find in Bangalore.
Oh my god! This is so fun, man. Wow. Woohoo. ओके, चलो तो अभी ये टेस्ट कर लेते हैं कि इसका वॉबलिंग इशू है कि नहीं. सो करेंटली आई एम क्रूजिंग एट 60 नाउ. मैं एक बार इसको 80 के ऊपर कर लेता हूँ एंड देन आई विल टेस्ट. इसको बोलता हूँ ब्रो, नाइस बाइक, नाइस बाइक, नाइस बाइक.
Quick thoughts on Honda CB350 RS after ride. The seat stayed comfortable, the clutch never felt tiring, and the bike handled long stretches with ease. For beginners planning long rides, the bike feels confidence inspiring. This ride made me realize something important. Motorcycling is not just about machine or speed. It's about people, shared experiences, and a story that is start on the road. My first long ride became memorable because I didn't ride alone.
You want to say something?
Nothing, I'm super hungry.
Look at his bike. Hey bro,
Come in. Hello.
nice ride. Nice ride.
Thank you, Ajmal. Yeah, it was nice. Nice ride means I thought talking about my bike.
Bro, you who's exhaust for that? Like that hunter
Red
guy.
Rooster exhaust. Sudarshan, he's coming.
Darshan, okay.
That CB350 RS with the turban, he's also here.
प्रशांत भाई भी है क्या उधर
हाँ,
पीछे?
Prashant is also here. All are here only. What the hell?
What happened?
सारे लोग ऐसे जा रहे हैं.
यहाँ पे लगाता हूँ आने